Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I have something fun to share with you today. It is double mystery box day. I didn't even know there was such a thing, did you? Cricut is releasing 2 mystery boxes, so I get to share with you both of them, and they are all about the Cuttlebug. Yes, yay! We love the Cuttlebug. Okay, so there's 2 different boxes. They're the same price. They're both $39.99. I, of course, will be sharing the links to purchase either of the boxes, and you can use my special promo code SMQD for you to get 10% off plus free shipping. So I did want to cover a couple of things real quick with you, and the first is some of y'all are new to crafting and you don't know what a Cuttlebug is. So a Cuttlebug is a manual die cut machine, and it has a platform that opens up. Okay, so it's pretty slimline. I love this because it's great for keeping on a shelf in my craft room. It doesn't take up a lot of space. You pull these things down. It's got a suction on the bottom. This is not what comes in your mystery box. This is what you have to be able to use the items, or you can use any other manual die cut machine. Now, the things that I'm showing you today, you would need a Cuttlebug or another manual die cut machine, and you'll need the long plates, okay? Your Cuttlebug comes with the short plates, and you'll need the ones that are the 13 by 6, and you'll need the A plate, and you'll also need 2 B plates, okay? So you would need to pick those up, and I will post a link in the Cricut shop so you'll know what it is you need to look for. But that's what you would have to use some of the materials I'm going to be showing you for the mystery box. So I wanted to get that out front. So you don't use these in your actual Cricut Explore or Cricut Maker. I get that question sometimes when they hear us talking about the Cuttlebug in our groups, right? Okay, so let's get started. Mystery box number 1. Yay! Mystery box number 1, we're going to start off with Cricut fabric. Yay! Now you may get a different pattern than the one I have, but the Cricut fabric is 100% cotton fabric. It comes in, it'll have 5 different designs, and each design will be let me make sure I tell you the right thing, a 12 by 26 piece. They're beautiful. If you have the Cricut Maker, you can cut these out on your pink fabric mat with just the rotary blade, and you don't need to put any fusible webbing on the back. If you want to cut the fabric out with your Cricut Explorer, you would need to get some fusible webbing that you iron on the back of the material so that you'd be able to cut it out with your Cricut Explorer. But you can cut it. So everybody gets a pack of this. Yay! And yours, they have, I think there's 4 or 5 different patterns, so you may get a different set than what I'm showing you, just so you know. All right. Now, so that's the first thing you get in the box. What's next? This is box number 1 still. Okay, you're going to get the Anna Griffin all heart cut and embossed dies. So you can kind of see what they look like there. And I'm going to show you guys what you get in the box. Okay, you're going to get these thin metal dies. And I took one out of the package to show you. So you're going to get the thin metal die, and you'll use that in your Cuttlebug. This also comes with a rubber mat, because you'll need that, because these are not just cutting dies, these are embossing dies, and that's what makes them super fun, is that it's not just, because we can cut out a shape with our Cricut, but we can't really go back and emboss that particular image with our Cricut. So what would happen is you would use this, you would cut out your shape. Then you're going to run it back through the machine using that rubber mat that I showed you. And let me see if I can show y'all up close. It is now not just cut, but can you see that it's more dimensional? It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's all of this scroll work is all raised, okay? So it embosses it. So it gives it a really nice look, more than just a flat piece of paper. You're going to get the Anna Griffin Paper Tricks embossing folder set. And these are the long folders. And I'm going to show you, you also get instruction sheets, okay? So it walks you through exactly how to use all of this. But what you get is you get 2 large embossing folders that are to make rosettes with, and I've already embossed one so I could show you guys. So you would put a piece of paper, then it's going to run it through and it's going to create score lines. Can you guys see that? But they're raised score lines. Okay, so it makes it super easy for you to fold these. Now, some of us have tried to use the score tool in Design Space with our machines, and it doesn't always score where you can fold it easily, right? It's not kind of light when it scores, which is fine for some things, but when you want to make something, see how quick and easy that was? When you want to make one of those big, beautiful rosettes, right? The big, beautiful rosettes. You want something that's going to be fast and easy. So to make this one, this one was the large fold, and this one's the small fold that comes in the same kit. So I made 4 of these. I folded them super fast. You glue them end to end, and then you put it together, and you put a circle on it to hold it down with some hot glue. And then you can make these giant fans, okay? They're super cool. They're great for decorating. But you get that in this kit. You also get 6 other long 2-inch folders. And same thing, you're going to put your paper in and you'll emboss it. It'll emboss the shape. Can you guys see that on the camera? It's hard to tell. Okay, it'll emboss it. And then it's all these paper folding tricks. And there's 6 of them. And I did a few of them here just to show you guys these different paper folds that you can do with these embossing folders. It's super cool. It's great for card makers, and it's great for scrapbookers, or if you're decorating for a party and you want to add some extra oomph to your banners that you're making and things like that. This is a great kit. So that is what comes in Cricut Mystery Box number 1. You get those 2 sets, and there's all these cool things you can make with them. And that one is Mystery Box number 1. It's $39.99. It has a retail value of $967 according to Cricut. And I'll post the link for that one. Mystery Box number 2. Yes, because I told you there's 2 tonight. You get to have 2 mystery boxes. So you'll make a separate purchase for each box so you can pick which one you want. We just talked about 1. So let's talk about Mystery Box number 2. Now, Mystery Box number 2 also is for Cuttlebug, and it is also $39.99. It is Anna Griffin's Their Paper Tricks 2 embossing folders. But these are different. These are kind of cool because they also come with a set of dies. So you get some embossing folders, kind of like I showed you before, those long ones where you put the paper in and then you fold the paper to make different shapes, but these are different than the ones you would have gotten in the other kit. And you also get these thin dies, the metal dies, and I'm going to show you in a minute what I made and how it works. And you get a rubber mat, which is what you need for embossing with some of these things, and you get 3 of the embossing folders. Okay, now these embossing folders have shapes on them. Can you guys see that it's got different shapes on it? Okay, it's not like a normal embossing folder where it's just embossing one particular image. For these, what you're going to do is you will use the thin metal dies. Okay, there is on this one, and this one in particular, I used this thin metal die, and it cut out this half moon shape for me, okay? And then I put it in the embossing folder. I find the one that it matches up to that I'm trying to make, and you put it in the embossing folder just like this. You're going to fold that over. You're going to put this through your Cuttlebug, okay? And it's going to emboss the shape. Once it embosses the shape on it, okay, it's creating your score lines for you. So then you're just going to fold it, and it just takes a second to fold it. Okay, you're gonna fold it so that it creates these little paper shapes. Okay, and there's a bunch of different ones. I'm just showing you. I folded that, and then you made this really cool 3D rosette. Okay, so this would be great if you needed to make like a little, your number 1 for a card. It looks great on the front of a card or on a scrapbook page, or maybe you wanted to make one to add to a corsage that you're giving to somebody to wear at a shower or something. Really cool. But each of these, this has a whole booklet of instructions for all kinds of shapes and things that you can make using this. Okay, so it's several pages. It tells you exactly which die to use. It tells you exactly which embossing folder to use. It was super easy for me to just throw this together that I just showed you. And this is the, let me make sure I tell y'all the right name of it. This is the Paper Tricks 2 folder bundle that's in Cricut Mystery Box number 2. All right, so you get all of that in Mystery Box number 2, plus you get, you get Anna Griffin's Mix and Match Sentiment Framed Set, okay? And this is, these are awesome. I love this. You get, again, you're going to use your Cuttlebug, and you get these heavy duty embossing folders. Okay, there's 4 of them. They have 4 different designs. 2 of them have the rectangle cut on the front, and the other 2 have what they're calling their oval shape. The emboss folder part is different. Each one has a different design on the inside of it. But basically what it's doing is you get these little sentiment packs, okay? And they're like their own little mini embossing folders. And there's videos on YouTube that shows you how to do all this stuff. But like say this one says happy birthday to you, okay? There is a B side and an A side of that same folder. You pop them into whichever frame that you want to use, and then you run that through your Cuttlebug. And when you do that, you get this beautifully embossed image, but it already has the sentiment on it for you. Okay, look how pretty that is. It's super pretty. Now, in the packet, you also get a set of metal dies that are those 2 shapes, the rectangle and the oval. Okay, so you get these 2 shapes as well. Now, for those, what you do is that you will use those to actually cut the center out of, if you emboss a folder, you'll cut the center out first of the piece of paper, and then you'll emboss around that. So then you could use this on the front of a card, or you can even double up on your other cards on the other one that you made so that you end up with something like this. Look how pretty and elegant that looks. Now, each of those 4 embossing folders has a different emboss to it, but that is what you get in the Cricut Mystery Box number 2. All right, so it's also $39.99. This one has a retail value of $125.87, so it's quite the steal. And I hope you guys have a lot of fun with either of the mystery boxes. You can buy 1 box or you can buy 2. Just remember, when you click the link, make sure you're buying the right box. Okay, so there's mystery box number 1 and mystery box number 2, and make sure that you're buying the right thing. And then use my special promo code SMQD, and you get 10% off plus free shipping in the United States if you pick economy shipping. And I hope you guys enjoy the mystery boxes. It's fun to get 2 today. Yay! All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking at me on YouTube, please be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channels. I have a slew of videos that are about to come out, or tutorials on lots of Cricut things, and I hate for you to miss it. I'll see you later. Bye.